Yo, what's good, y'all? It's a great day. Welcome to Road to 10K. Today is day 61, I believe, and we made $430 trading today. If y'all were in the live video, y'all saw what went down. Discord link about, TikTok about, Instagram about, everything about. But that being said, let me show y'all the P&L card, as y'all can see right here. Great way to end off the week. So I don't even have to think about what happened this week. This week was very challenging on my mental. It was very challenging trading wise. But we finish off the week strong, and next week will be a better week. I promise y'all that. Just very unfortunate events like yesterday. Yesterday, my trade syncer did not trade sync on my other account, so I tried to take a trade on the other account, lost that trade. So one account won, one account lost. It's all good though. I'm not tripping about that. Tuesday was would have been a win if I would have took my 1-to-1. Unfortunate, and Wednesday was just a loss. So it's just a whole bunch of things that are fixable. But yep, as y'all know, we like to go over what we saw in the market coming into today, and then we will talk about what trade I took. All right, so boom, coming into the day, I seen we had this bearish S&T right here between London highs and Tokyo highs. ES has yet to even, or ES did fill these out. ES actually blitzed through them, so that was just supporting my bias a little bit as well, but I wouldn't be surprised if I saw market come down here, sweep out some of this, and continue to go to these unmitigated gaps up here, which we probably will see in the next coming days. But at the same time, this 4-hour draw, which we just got, it is still 10 o'clock in the morning. I'm making this right after I trade, but we just got this low right here, which is a very, very good point of liquidity because as you can see, as soon as we got this, we pumped up 1,000 points. That being said, that is a great place to target. But all right, so now 4-hour. I don't even think I showed the 4-hour. Hold on. But as you can see, we have these 4-hour draws down here. Yeah, I just didn't see us going up. Actually, I kind of did see us going up. I did take a long for my first play, but it was a break even. But it's all good. We were not even respecting 15 minutes. There was no 15 minutes that were being made for us to respect. 5 minutes. There was this 5 minute right here. So I guess you could say we were disrespecting that internally. So we would be bearish, but I just wanted to see how we opened up market open because we definitely could possibly come down here and sweep Tokyo lows and tap into this rejection block and continue to go higher, but that is not what happened. So boom, let me show y'all what happened. Market open. It's not even market open, but we did take out that. So boom, we did it. We created that. We also got this, and we got a 1 minute inversion to the upside. Right? Boom, ES is also pumping up. So this looks good. This is just perfect. We tapped into this 5 minute right here, unmitigated. Now we're starting to go up. So there also is this, and there is a 2 minute inversion right here. But I actually entered into this trade really, really high. Let me delete this. I actually entered into this trade really, really high. I entered maybe around right here. So my stops was down here, and my 1-to-1 was all the way up here with my break even being this right here. So just I did not get discounted at all, but it's all good. Break even, and then this was the play I ended up taking right here. This 1 minute inversion, boom, hopped in. I like this play a lot. I initially had my TP up here at this wick just because on 1 minute inversions I like to go the wick, and I was targeting the 1-to-1 down here. Boom, but after I seen us tap into this 1 minute gap and continue to sell off, noticing we also had CISD, which is this high creator right here. We took it out, came down and closed past this body. So I went ahead and moved my stops just to right here, just to, get a better art, getting a better TP on my 1-to-1. And that's exactly what happened. Boom, boom, boom. We continued to go to the floor, and we did. And then even after that, boom, sell off to the floor. I could have held to that 4-hour draw right here, but I don't want to be greedy, especially on a week like this. I would rather be greedy on a week where I had previous good days and a win isn't as much needed. You see what I'm saying? But let's get straight into the live recap. So as y'all can see, this is a live recap right here. Let me go ahead and go to the first trade I took so y'all can see what I was thinking. It may have been really choppy on the live stream because I am live streaming off my MacBook today. See, I'm in the study room. Subscribe and like if y'all have not already. But yes, let's get straight into it. So boom, market open. We came down. I'm looking at the higher time frame. Maybe we sweep out this low and continue to go up, but that was not the case. Maybe looking back, I should have waited till that low got swept. But I want to show y'all how crazy um how fast it pushed. I'm over here trying to measure out my contracts and stuff. I'm over here scrambling. Really mad that I got in like that because I was scrambling. Put my stops down there at the bottom of that 5 minutes. And as you can see, we came all the way down, see how much I'm risking. But I knew this was a cash money trade as soon as we started pushing up like this. And boom, break even. And then it came down and shot straight down. And I don't usually like to ping pong markets like this where I take a trade going up and then I take a trade going down. But I feel like this was just very clear. We took out that high, which was high resistance liquidity. Now we're going down to get this sell side. And the bias was, when I started the video, the bias was bullet or bears. So now I went ahead and hopped into this trade for a 1-to-1. ES was also starting to push up at this point, so it had me a little bit worried. But as y'all know, NQ and ES do not always go together. Sometimes they're divorced. That's completely fine. But as you can see, tap up into there, and boom, 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 boom. We had a little bit of bad price action. Then we started going to the floor, and this is where it started getting good. We tapped into this rejection block. Showed some rejection off of that block, if you feel what I'm saying. And then we came up, retraced back up. I'm not sure into what though. And then we sold off to the floor. And as you can see, look how excited I was. Freaky, yeah. But nah, man. Appreciate all y'all for coming out to this video. I will be coming out with a video tomorrow and Sunday and Monday. And then Tuesday, we'll be right back on the charts, man. We have next week and a week after that and a week after that, and then I will be going on a trip, so I won't be able to live stream. I don't even know if I'll be trading. I won't be able to come out with videos, so that might be when the road to 10K takes a halt, and I will resume it later on. But thank y'all so much for coming out to this video. I hope y'all enjoy it. Love.